Affiliate marketing made simple. Follow these suggestions. If you're wondering about a way to make some extra money online, you probably already know about affiliate marketing. Although, starting a new site and maintaining it with videos and advertisements might be daunting for the first time. This video provides several easy and effective tips that can help you succeed. To make your internet marketing efforts more effective, avoid the hard sell. Make sure that every visitor to your website can find information and services to satisfy them without forcing them to pay. Web surfers are less tolerant to high-pressure sales tactics than any other potential customers. Giving them a little without asking for anything in return will build trust and positive impressions. If you are interested in affiliate marketing, the most basic thing that you can do is to start with choosing a topic that you know well. It's the easiest way for you to build a site. Also, it means that you can provide your own opinions easier on things, and you will enjoy it a lot better if it's something you're interested in. Make a unique web page for each affiliate product. Write relevant and helpful information about the product for your visitors to read. If you focus a page on a single product, you can target a specific audience that is already interested in the subject. It also makes tracking much easier. Test the product. The only real way for you to know if you want this product to be affiliated with you, is to try it out. Saying you know something works because you have tried it is much more trustworthy and reliable than saying you read about it on their website. Affiliate marketing is not just for people who know how to build websites. If you can write well, know how to promote products in a fun, interesting way, and like to make extra money, then affiliate marketing can help you when you really need it. All you need to do is get permission from the company that you are interested in to sell their product. Bullet lists are a great way to show off product benefits. Having a bulleted list gives readers who don't want to read your whole video a place to see what they like about your product. It also provides a break-in video, adding to its visual appeal. Hopefully, these tips will give you a better idea on how to write videos, place and update ads, and maintain a reader base that is the key for success. Don't expect to become rich overnight. Affiliate programs take practice and a lot of effort, but can be a great alternative source of money. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.